Good afternoon. Welcome to day 403 here at the St. Clair County EMA office. I'm joined by Chairman Kern and Samantha Bierman from the Health Department. Sam, welcome back.
Thank you. So as of today, we have tested 330,820 St. Clair County residents, which is an increase of 753 from yesterday. We have 30,037 positive test results, which is an increase of 22 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from their teens up to their 50s. And today our daily county positivity rate is 2.9%. And we have 300,783 negative test results. We are adding no new additional deaths, so we remain at 475. For those who have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 29,242. For state totals, 21,839,226 have been tested, with 1,306,787 positive test results, which is an increase of 2,587 from yesterday. And for deaths, the state is reporting 21,694, which is an increase of 9 from yesterday. For hospitalization numbers in St. Clair County, currently we have 22 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and one of those individuals is on a ventilator. And regionally, we have 48 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 2 of those individuals are on ventilators. For congregate living facilities that are currently or previously been in outbreak status, please remember that these numbers are cumulative and we will only announce any facilities that have had changes. New Athens Home for the Aged has 85 cases and 10 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case. And before I turn over to Chairman Kern, even with the change of weather, we are still open down at the mass vaccination site we'll open until 6:30 tonight, and up until 5 o'clock, an appointment is not necessary. So if you have not received your vaccination and you would like to do so, please come down and see us.
Thank you, Sam. Hospitalizations, this is the lowest they've been in about 8 days. So that's we're hearing in other parts of the state they're having issues with hospitalizations. But for us, these are some of the lowest numbers we've had in a long, long time.
They are. And to see these numbers, it reinforces that all the hard work that we've been doing is starting to pay off. So when you see these numbers, it's, the result of all the hard work and, all the sacrifices everyone has made to get to this point.
It's not magic.
No.
It's getting vaccinated, it's wearing masks, it's washing your hands and watching your social distance. We're also hearing in St. Louis County that there's a number of breakthrough cases. So even if you have been vaccinated twice with Pfizer and Moderna or once with Johnson & Johnson, you do have a chance still to contract COVID.
And that is with any vaccine. No vaccine is 100%. So, the vaccine gives you the best chance to fight off the virus if you do happen to be exposed to it, but it is not a 100%, but it is the best shot.
But it is worthwhile.
Oh, absolutely.
It makes the case that you get less.
Less, yes. We are seeing that depending on what your underlying health conditions are, the symptoms that you face are far less severe.
And the chances of you ending up in the hospital or, God forbid, dying are much less.
Yes,
much less.
significantly
if not
lower.
Minuscule.
Exactly.
With vaccine. So get that vaccine.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the zip code report. Everybody's favorite part of this exercise that we do every day. Let's start with 62203, up 1 to 654. 62204, up 2 to 410. 62205, up 1 to 660. 62207, up 1 to 603. 62208, down 1 to 1,692. 62220, up 2 to 2,148. 62221, up 2 to 2,865. 62223, up 4 to 1,824. 62226, up 3 today to 3,297. 62239, up 1 to 493. 62243, up 1 to 795. 62254, up 2 to 818. 62258, up 1 to 1,090. 62260, up 1 to 828. 62264, up 1 to 374. And 62269, up 1 to 3,360. We saw 22 new positives in the county today, 753 tested, brings our county positivity up today to 2.9%, which then keeps our rolling average the same at 3.6%. Regional positivity, though, is up a little bit to 3.4% today. Bond County calls in at 5%, Clinton 1.6%, Madison 3.5%, Monroe County's at 0.8% today. Randolph's at 1.8%, St. Clair 2.7%, and Washington County at 5.9%. So the numbers are kind of static, which is a good thing. We'd like them to just keep drilling down lower and lower and lower so that eventually we can shed the mask. But right now, given the way the rest of the state is going, I think St. Clair County and Team St. Clair are doing a really good job.
Absolutely, and what we can do while these numbers remain static, we raise those vaccine numbers. That's the number we can control. We can control the vaccination numbers by making it available. 16 and above, as long as you live, work, or go to school in Illinois. You can go to the fairgrounds every day but Wednesday from 9 to 5. An appointment's not needed. You can get right in. But there's also appointments available. Make your process even a little bit quicker. Go to the St. Clair County website, sign up for those. Just so vitally important, because while we worry about all these numbers, that's the number we can control. And the vaccine is here. The vaccine is available. And we want to get as many needles and arms as possible.
And so you had the commander of the guard was at the fairgrounds today?
Correct. Today, Adjutant General Neely, Major General Neely, the Adjutant General of the Illinois National Guard, was there thanking some of the troops, talking about their transition, and made it very clear that this process is going to go on for several months. He talked to some of the troops about what their next phases are, and if mass vaccination sites become a thing of the past, because as the time dwindles down, there's still going to be focused units throughout this state, making sure they're hitting those target areas where they see that there's still a need for vaccine.
Governor Pritzker and Dr. Ezike are very focused on this area, trying to encourage people to get the vaccine. Mm-hmm. I know they're putting on a program with Church in East St. Louis this week. They're really trying to get the word out, encouraging people to go out, do the research, figure out, answer any questions you need on the vaccine, and then hopefully you'll decide to get vaccinated too.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we posted on the EMA website. I don't have it here in front of me right now, but on the EMA page, you'll see a flyer for another walk-up clinic at a church in East St. Louis this week as well. Just working with all different aspects of the community to build that confidence in the vaccine and get the people to get the shot in the arm.
Good job.
All right, well, thank you for joining us today for day 403. We'll be back in a few moments with Cindy, who will translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back with you tomorrow for day 404. Thank you.
One of the ways we can combat widespread infection is testing. It's been proven time and time again that many people who were infected with COVID-19 are asymptomatic, showing no signs of infection. They unknowingly spread the virus to those most vulnerable in our community. Working together with health departments in our region, free testing has been made available throughout the area, and we encourage all citizens and visitors to take advantage of this opportunity. To Team St. Clair and the rest of Region 4, if we work together, we can and will stop the spread of COVID-19.